Hello, good morning, my people. Good morning, Abia and Okawukwa, Kebu TV on the MIT. And today is another Monday, beautiful Monday, the 19th day of May 2025. Ebe na ugbu a na-awụ Umuchichi, ebe a na-akpọ military zone. Some of the areas, some of the property owners and landlords draw the attention. I want to use this medium to draw the attention of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Oti because of this a gradually impending doom, a teeming time bomb that is actually coming up gradually without going to say video. Before you know it now, by the special grace of God, before we round up this video, we'll also be showing you the area shots of this whole environment so that you'll be able to understand the depths and also the type of beautiful houses in these environments. You can see the erosion creeping gradually and also coming closer to homes. Yes, ebe people's homes, ebe people na ehura, ebe people na ezuike, ebe people will be. So it's gradually coming up, gradually like play. You can see that ebe in now somebody's farm. This is farmland. The erosion is eating speedily as it runs. So from the stories we had, this erosion withdrew from some time ago. Ebe a na-amị aja, ọ ka na-amịbu aja somewhere here. So ịhụ na na-amị aja, ị na-amị ya, ọ wụrụ na ebe ahụ machine ahụ nọ ka ọ na-adọrọ ya wa aja. Ị na-amị ya, ọ na-aga na-eat, na-adọrọ ya aja n'ọcha na environs ndị mmadụ. So at the end of the day, when it wasn't up, everybody agba ọnwa Igbo ka rụrụ aka, everybody agba ọsọ. So today, this is how it is. This is the level of suffering people nke about the roads abụọ. And the mmiri nọ nso ebe a. Okay, oge ga otu a. Okay, yes.
So the ruwe gaburu ebe a
N'elu
before.
ya.
N'ogologo ebe a na ruwe.
So ebe a ka ruwe gaburu.
Yes.
Na-aga. And the people houses kakwa nkụ. Oh, beautiful houses kakwa nkụ ebe a o.
Ha na-ekwezi ehi ụra abalị.
Chai. The proximity was very close. So the proximity and the erosion was so close. So we try as much as we could to show you the area shots of this whole area and also what the residents has to say, what the property owners has to say. So this is the Monday edition. Because no share button. Yeah, it's very important to touch the share button and also like and comment. Ask your questions. Maka onye hụ ebe nkịta ọkụkọ na-azụ eti ụkwụ na nshi unu chụpụ ya maka onye ga-ata ụkwụ ya. Look at the whole area. Waterside is very closer, and also people houses are also here. You can see the erosion. The proximity here is 100 feet or barely 100 feet to somebody's house. The erosion is coming up speedily. The erosion is eating up everything in this very area. So stay tuned on Kebu TV for more G's. So look at some of the beautiful houses and they were even there. I am so impressed. Military zone, Umuchichi area. These are very beautiful houses. These guys are really putting in place. So development is coming, and this is also a welcome one. This is why the government is encouraging ease of doing business and also encouraging investors to come, invest in the land, create employment, because there's security, there's electricity, and there's also ease of doing business. So look at houses everywhere. Job opportunity and also boosting, paying tax and also boosting the economy. So stay tuned for more. So these are some of those things we are complaining about. You can see the erosion. You can see the proximity between people houses and also the gully erosion that is eating up the soil and also getting closer, very closer to house. This is it's not up to 50 feet now to this very building. Look at it. Look at these are somebody's properties in Umuchichi. military zone, if I'm not mistaken, here in Osisiomangwa local government. Formerly, this place used to be a railway line, a rail line, but due to the erosion, they deserted and also boycotted it. Somehow they know they do again. Look at the environment, look at the area, look at people's properties, people's land, and it's gradually eating up and also getting worse by the day. So the residents are crying up and also begging for government to intervene and also come to their rescue. This is actually what is playing out today, being Monday, the 19th day of May 2025. So Masimba, they actually invited me. Masimba, let me come around to see things myself. It's not even easy going closer to this very gully erosion, because you won't even know. By my left, by my right, there are different erosion, different gully erosion, both left and right. You won't even know mgbe ọ ga-ada, mgbe ọ ga-etibiri daa. You won't even know. But be it as it may, God will surely see us through for we to get to the root of this. You can see mmiri na-agba n'ime fully. Yes, all ebe mmiri na-agba fully, and it's eating up and also washing all the lacterites, washing all of them down to the river, down to the Aba River, one water side. Yes, because you know when even down Amiaja, very close to this area, and that is why we also need to consult and contact the minister, the commissioner in charge of solid mineral and whatever. You can see the heights, you can see, and some people are also dropping refuse. This is our farm. These are people's farm. This is the erosion, the gully erosion. Houses are very close. You can see houses are everywhere close by. Look at it, look at the erosion, and look at house. This is what is obtainable. This is Aba, Osisiomangwa, yes, local government. Umuchichi. Everything is being washed down, washed up, and also push them straight to Aba River. Let me zoom and show you the Aba River and look at the water side, all this thing. And as they said, this water side they be smaller, but but this is widened up. All this area are they like impassable. Yes, covered with the green grass. All this thing covered with the green grass. Now Umuchichi, yeah, with the beautiful houses around this place, but this place actually needs maintenance. Fail to maintain it, some of these buildings will all go down. This is what we are seeing, and that is why we are here to give you the feedback and also give you the situation report. So stay tuned on Kebu TV, and also always remember to ask your question, comment, react, and also share. Yes, because yes, all we are leading is to draw the attention of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Oti Komunike come to their rescue. Eba village, eba bim, eba golem. Yeah, but all human beings there. So that is why we are showing concern. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll also be speaking with the residents for more jigs. So you should go ahead.
Okay, I am comrade Ndubisi Nwoye.
When I want to say by not.
Okay, by now we are no Umuchichi. Umuchichi community. Na Masato in Osisioma. Wana estate here military zone. Oyeji Mareba.
So nobody here, what is actually happening here?
You know na erosion alarm bize na atobasholoje bad n'ime mmiri. Adago ile la ya ahụ nke ongoing project. Autobala half of it inside erosion. Nke we widow. Nke retired army officer. Many of them have run away. Leru fan eba nke church apostolic. The church have collapsed inside the erosion. So people's life were seriously endangered because eba are densely populated. So all here are passing through. We have been writing letters. We have wrote to Abuja. We have wrote to Enugu Railway headquarters. We have wrote to State Ministry of Environment under the previous administration. We have wrote to MIWA. So now we are soliciting the state government under the leadership of Alex Chioma Oti, People's Governor. Governor will be mad. Governor will be Omiko. Because people are suffering. Very soon the community will pack out from this erosion menace. So because Excellency Biko, we are seriously endangered this place. Our building, our investment be seriously endangered because every day any day it rain, the erosion takes about 15 or 10 feet on daily basis. Whenever it rain, 15 or 10 foot fall inside the erosion. So if we leave it like this, just already. So please.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So when I have
I'm Ukechukwu Amajoyi.
okay.
Ebe no military zone estate nke Umuchichi. Umuchichi na under Amasato Osioma local government area in Abia state.
Ebo village.
Mba.
You get droganya. So ele here before onu I just know.
I want the tenant be eba. I want the non-indigenous landlord. Be na ogbe eba na military zone eba nke dị na Umuchichi. So ihe ọjọọ bịakwutere anyị ebe a wo gully erosion. Gully erosion. Nke ọjọọ ya nke mmiri ozuzo na ala Mbize butere. Ọwụ na ile anya ị ga-ahụ na the erosion adịla too gully. Ọ bala ime, ọ la too deep. Ọ na-eri ala, ọ na-eri ụlọ, ọ na-eri ma farmland, you know. So ọ ya wee begutere anyị ebe a. So anyị chi obi n'aka ndị non-indigenous landlord ndị bi ebe a, mostly non-indigenous landlord ndị bi ebe a. So o riela ọtụtụ ụlọ ma ndị nọ under construction ma ndị arụcha ndị mmadụ bi. Ile anyị ga-elekwe nke a ụlọ mmadụ na-arụ arụ. Ọkwa ala Mbize and the gully erosion o riele part of it. Onye na-arụ ya agbaala ọsọ. So ihe ile anyị ebe a ọ widow nọ ebe a di ya nwụrụ ka o the only thing di ya hapụrụ ya. The thing akọwala the building o riela part of it. The widow agbazila ọsọ ọ na-aga ehizi na shop ya ka ọ na-ehi for more than 3 years now or 4 years if I'm not mistaken. The other one is a retired army officer, retired Air Force officer, retired Air Force officer. Onye bi na nke ọzọ the man ebisikwa ebe ahụ. So ọ bụ ụlọ ahụ the only thing o menwere achieve for the 35 years ọ rụọla gọọmenti ọrụ as an Air Force officer. Obizikwa ebe ahụ. The gully erosion actually also is an old man because every day mmiri zoro the ala na-eri ugwu. Every day mmiri zoro the gully na-aga more and more closer to building. So the man elecha ya sị kama ya gadawa n'ime olulu ya ga kwụ ụgwọ ụlọ ebe ọzọ biri as a tenant. So isiokwu anyị na-akpọ government of the day nna anyị kwu His Excellency Alex Chioma Oti, biko bịa gbata anyị ọsọ enyemaka ndị bụ anyị nwabụ ndị bi ebe a. Gbata anyị ọsọ enyemaka n'ihi na anyị kachizi obi n'aka. Anyị amaghị ebe ọzọ anyị na-aga ibi, anyị amaghị ebe ọzọ anyị na-aga ịgbaga. This is the only hope we have. Please, we are asking for your help. Come to our rescue because ihe before anyị ebe a is an impending doom. This is an impending doom. We don't know before mmiri ozuzo nke afọ a ezocha o nwere ike Umuchichi ga-agbalaga ma ọ na gọọmenti abịa nyere anyị aka. N'ihi nke a biko nna anyị ukwu Alex Oti, come to our rescue. Thank you, sir.
Na nchịkọta to injinu na nchịkọta nke aha m Sunshine Mayor arịrịọ ka anyị na-arịọ onye n'onu anyị ikpere ha na ka anyị bụsị arịrịọ ka anyị na-arịọ biko na anya ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu asị na anaghị akwụ mmiri mgbe ọ nọ n'ọbụ ụkwụ na-awụ mgbe ọ barutere abarute. But anyị ma na ihe anyị ji na-arịọ arịrịọ a nwee nkwuwa okwu na anyị ma na onye Chineke wetara anyị wụ Chioma ndị Abịa, Chioma ndị Umuchichi, na anyị nwere nkwuwa okwu nwee ntụkwasị obi na arịrịọ anyị na-arịọ na ọ gaghị awụ mmiri a na-awụ n'okwute. Biko ọ bụrụ na apụta echi ugbu a sị na otu one family dakpuru n'ime onu na anyị ma na ọtụtụ telivishọn ọtụtụ redio ga-ịgbarụbịa ebe a anyị aga iche mgbe o mere ụta apụta echi ugbu a sị Sunshine Mayor na ọ dakpuru ya na famili ya dakpuru na mmiri before you know it Charles esi Abuja bịa nke NTA si Lagos bịa betu biko lenu mgbe aka nwee ike ha ga-eme gọvanọ anyị biko na-arịrịọ ka anyị ma na ị ga-eme ya ị na-eme ihe karịrị ndị a ịgba ọnụrụbe nwanne gbata chi ndị abịa biko ụnụ mara ihe unu ga-emere anyị sibịa nyere anyị aka anyị anaghị ehi ụra anyị anachi obi n'aka biko ọ ha anyị na-arịọ and anyị nwere olileanya nwee ntụkwasị obi na gọvanọ nke a Chineke ji aka enye anyị dị anyị ahụ mma ọ ga-emere anyị ya ọ ga-emere anyị ya ọ ga-eme ya.
So this the area. This is the Aba River you are seeing up there, and this area have also been turned to dump of refuse. It is the dirty now a wage. These are buildings. The fence are already on the verge of collapsing. These are fence. They have tried all they could to wage it. These are somebody's building upstairs. Unfortunately, the erosion have cut off most of the areas, most of the building. This is the area, and I say, look at the locally drainage hatted just for them also to stay safe. But it seems that the erosion is more terrible, or the more terrible. So the communities, the property owners are complaining bitterly because of this gully erosion. All this area have been surrounded with beautiful buildings, edific buildings, but erosion have made their life so miserable and also so difficult. So here now your government can make better house in America. So this is Kebu TV. Stay tuned for more G's.